Welcome to class of chemistry. We are studying 12th standard chemistry lesson number 9, coordination compounds. In last video we studied double salts and Werner theory. So today we will study classification of complexes. So the complexes in coordination compounds can be classified mainly into two types. First one, classification on the basis of types of ligand, and the other is classification on the basis of charge on the complexes. So the classification on the basis of types of ligand can be further divided into two types, homoleptic complexes and heteroleptic complexes. Homoleptic complexes are the complexes in which the central atom or the central metal atom or ion is surrounded only by one type of ligand is called as homoleptic complexes. And in heteroleptic complexes, the central metal ion is surrounded by at least two ligands. Such complexes are called as heteroleptic complexes. The classification on the basis of charge on the complex can be further divided into three types: cationic sphere complexes, anionic sphere complexes, and neutral sphere complexes. So, the cationic sphere complexes are those complexes which contain or which have positively charged complex. Anionic sphere complexes are those which have negative charge on them, and neutral sphere complex are those complexes which do not have positive or negative charge on them. So this is the classification of complexes and the chart of complexes. The definitions of homoleptic complexes and heteroleptic complexes. The complexes in which the central metal ion is surrounded by only one type of ligand are called as homoleptic complexes, and the example of these type of complexes are CONH3 3+, ZnNH3 2+. So in both these examples there is only one type of ligand, that is in first one there is NH3 and in second example there is NH3 only. So in this complex only one type of ligand is there. So these type of complexes are called as homoleptic complexes. Let's see the definition of heteroleptic complexes. The complexes in which the central metal atom or ion is surrounded by two types of ligands are called as heteroleptic complexes. So let's see the example. CONH3Cl plus, and second example is CONH3Cl2. So in these examples we can see that there are two types of ligand, NH3Cl and NH3Cl. Both these examples have two types of ligands. So these type of complexes are called as heteroleptic complexes. Now let's see the definition of the complexes based on the charge on the complexes. Classification of complexes on the basis of charge on the complex. So there are three types of complexes which are based on the charge. First one is cationic complex, second is anionic complex, and third is neutral complex. So we know the complexes which the complex ions in the coordination compounds are called as coordination sphere. So the cationic complexes can be defined as the positively charged coordination sphere is called as cationic sphere complexes. So example of these complexes are ZnNH3 4+, NiNH3 2+, CONH3 5Cl 2+. So such type of complex ions which have positive charge on the complex are called as cationic complexes. Next is anionic sphere complex. The negatively charged coordination sphere are called as anionic sphere complexes. Example of these are NiCN4 2-, FeCN6 4-. So the complex ions which have negative charge on them are called as anionic sphere complexes. And the neutral sphere complexes, the coordination sphere which do not have positive or negative charge are called as neutral sphere complexes. The complexes which don't have either negative or positive charge on them, which are neutral, are called as neutral sphere complexes. So this is the classification of complexes. Let us revise the classification one more time. When the classification is in the form of chart, it becomes very easy to study. So we can see that classification of complexes can be mainly divided into two types: classification on the basis of types of ligand and classification on the basis of charge on the complexes. So classification on the basis of types of ligand can be further classified into two types: homoleptic complexes and heteroleptic complexes. The complexes which have only one type of ligand are homoleptic, and the complexes which have two types of ligand are called as heteroleptic complexes. The classification on the basis of charge on the complex can be further divided into three types: cationic complexes, anionic complexes and neutral complexes. So cationic complexes have positive charge on them, anionic complexes have negative charge on them, and neutral complexes do not have any charge on them. So this is the classification of complexes. Take down the chart and study well.